ask you something honestly. What if the reason your menopause feels worse isn't just hormones? What if some of your daily habits are quietly making everything harder without you even realizing it? Because here's the truth. Most women don't struggle because they're doing everything wrong. They struggle because of small habits that slowly build up over time. And the worst part is, these habits feel normal. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the most common daily habits that can make menopause symptoms worse, and what you can do instead. Not to overwhelm you, but to help you take back control. Let's start with the first habit: ignoring your body's signals. This is something almost everyone does. You feel tired, but you push through. You feel stressed, but you ignore it. You feel overwhelmed, but you keep going. And over time, your body starts reacting. More fatigue, more mood swings, less energy, because your body is not designed to be ignored. It's designed to be listened to. Now here's the second habit: relying too much on caffeine. I know, this one is hard. Coffee feels like the only thing keeping you going some days. But during menopause, too much caffeine can actually make things worse. It can increase anxiety, disrupt sleep, and even make hot flashes feel more intense. You don't have to quit completely, but reducing it slightly can make a noticeable difference. The third habit is lack of movement. Not exercise, movement. There's a difference. You don't need intense workouts.
But if your body stays inactive most of the day, your energy drops, your mood feels heavier, and your body becomes more sluggish. Even small movements, like walking or stretching, can change how you feel. It's not about doing more, it's about moving consistently. Now let's talk about something deeper: negative self-talk. During menopause, your body changes, and sometimes your confidence changes with it. You might feel frustrated, disconnected, or even disappointed. And without realizing it, you start speaking to yourself differently. More criticism, less patience, and that emotional weight adds to your stress. Here's something important. The way you talk to yourself affects how you feel physically too. So instead of being harsh, try being understanding. Your body is changing, not failing. Now here's a big one: poor sleep habits. We already talked about sleep, but this goes deeper. Staying on your phone late at night, inconsistent sleep times, overstimulating your mind before bed. These things make it harder for your body to rest. And without proper rest, everything feels worse. Your mood, your energy, your patience. Sleep is not optional. It's essential. Next habit: skipping meals or eating without awareness. During menopause, your body needs stable energy. But when you skip meals or eat in a rushed, unbalanced way, your energy becomes unpredictable. You feel fine one moment, then suddenly exhausted the next. And that cycle keeps repeating. Now let's talk about stress. Not just big stress, but daily, constant stress. The kind that never really goes away. During menopause, your body becomes more sensitive to stress, so even small stressors feel bigger. And if you don't give yourself time to reset, that stress keeps building. This is why small pauses during the day matter. Even a few minutes can help your body calm down. Another habit that often gets ignored is dehydration. It sounds simple, but it's powerful. Not drinking enough water can make fatigue, headaches, and even mood swings worse. And the tricky part? You don't always feel thirsty. So you have to be intentional about it. Now here's something that might surprise you: trying to do everything perfectly. Many women think they need the perfect diet, the perfect routine, the perfect plan. And when they can't keep up, they feel like they're failing.
But perfection creates pressure, and pressure creates stress. And stress makes menopause symptoms worse. So instead of perfection, focus on consistency. Small, realistic habits that you can actually maintain. Now let's step back for a moment. If you look at all these habits together, you'll notice something. None of them are extreme. None of them are dramatic. But together, they create a pattern that either supports your body or works against it. And the good news? You don't need to change everything at once. Just start with one habit, the one that feels easiest to improve. Maybe it's drinking more water. Maybe it's moving your body a little more. Maybe it's improving your sleep routine. Start there. Build slowly. And let those small changes create momentum. Because menopause is not just about hormones. It's about how you support your body during this phase.
And when you start supporting your body the right way, things begin to shift. Not instantly, but gradually. Your energy feels more stable. Your mood becomes calmer. Your body feels more manageable. And that's what we're aiming for. Not perfection, but progress. If this video made you realize something about your daily habits, don't forget to subscribe to MenoCalm, because awareness is the first step to change, and you've already taken it. And in the comments, tell me honestly, which habit do you think is affecting you the most right now?